Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. If you're trying to change your Netflix subscription, maybe downgrade or upgrade to a new one, then make sure you watch this video because I'm exactly going to show you the process of it. To change your plan or subscription of Netflix, you'll need to log into your Netflix account on the platform or the website of Netflix. You cannot do it within the app of Netflix, so just open up your web browsers and search for netflix.com, and then make sure that you are logged in. From the home screen, tap on the three lines which is on the top left and then open up account. From the accounts tab, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see a section of plan details and it's going to show you your current plan. Tap on change plan. Now select the plan that you want to choose. It's also going to give you the details of it, how many devices that you can log into, and what's going to be the quality of the video. Choose your option and then tap on continue. Now it's again going to show you your current plan and the new plan that you've selected and the cost of the new plan. If that is correct, then just tap on confirm change. Now the new plan won't start immediately, it will start within a few days. It's going to show you the exact date that the new plan will start. So that was a quick video on how to change the subscription of your Netflix. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more content related to it, make sure you also turn on the notification. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.